Morning, it's Dr. Toker, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon, and I have a challenge. I'm going to throw down the gauntlet today. There's a challenge, which I would like to call the Microbiome Diversity Challenge. And the goal in life is going to be, for the next month, let's say, to increase your gut microbiome by increasing the variety of foods you eat on a daily basis. Now, they say you should consume between 15 and 30 different plant species in the course of your day in a fresh and raw format. Now, a pro tip, spring salad has 11 species. I mean, there you go. You've cheated. Spring salad, some tomatoes, some cucumbers. Hey, throw a walnut and maybe some berries on that, or like a tangerine. Boom. Okay, so like that one salad is already halfway there. You can make smoothies also with berries and spinach and kale and arugula and all that kind of stuff. And those things improve the diversity of your microbiome. So here's your challenge. Can you, every day for the next 30 days, do that?